Do you want to improve your English pronunciation? Well, there is a simple trick that can make you sound more English, and it is squeezed pronunciation. Want to find out more? Then keep watching. Hello, it's Keith once again from the Keith Speaking Academy, here to help you become a much more confident speaker of English. Now then, do you sometimes listen to a native speaker and think, what did he say? And then maybe you check the transcript and you go, he didn't say that. For example, you may hear them say, that's interesting. And then you look at the transcript and it says, that's interesting. It should be interesting. But he said interesting. What's happening? Well, this is what you could call squeezed pronunciation. To squeeze, right? To take the word and make it smaller. Basically, what's happening is certain words in English, we don't pronounce every syllable. We kind of swallow some of the sounds and it becomes squeezed. It's something we do so that foreigners can't understand us, basically. Just joking. Now, what I'm going to do then in this video is I'm going to show you 12 everyday common words that we use regularly, and to see if you can hear the correct or this squeeze pronunciation, I'm going to let you guess first, and then so you can try, and then we're going to go through each one. Are you ready for the English Vocabulary Squeeze Challenge? Let's do it. Right, are you ready to go? So what I'll do, I'll show you the word, you try and say it, and then compare to how I say it. Here we go, first one. Chocolate. So it's not chocolate, it's chocolate. The cl. Chocolate. Like the word clear, chocolate. Chocolate. I love chocolate. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, any kind of chocolate. Number 2, memory. Not memory, memory. Memory. If my memory serves me right. If I remember correctly, right? Number 3, favorite. Not favorite, favorite. Vr. Little children, when they play with a car, they go vroom, vroom, vr. Like every. The same. Favorite. It's my favorite. Look, this is my favorite pen. If you can see it, got it on holiday. It reminds me of my holiday with my family and my sister in Austria. Favorite. Vr. Next one. Comfortable. So not comfortable, comfortable. The F and the T are together. Comfortable. Yeah, this is a really comfortable chair. A similar word is this one. Vegetable. Comfortable vegetable. Right? Vegetable meaning kind of a kind of food, aubergine, courgette, carrot, vegetable. Comfortable. Okay, next one. Different. Different. Not different. Different. The fr, like from. Different. Right? Easier. Okay, different. We are all different. We are all the same, but we are all different. Number 6. Business. Business or business. It's a Z and a n together. Not busyness, although we are busy when we're in business. Business, business, or business. Business. Business is good. Business is bad. Business has never been better. Let's move on to the next. Okay, next one. Library. Library. Actually, you can also say library. Library. We do say that. But more often than not, I would say library. So I'd kind of swallow the A and the R and just have library. Library. So a library, meaning a place full of books, right? It's a bit like the word, you may know the word itinerary, which is the route you're going to follow on a trip. Often we don't say itinerary, we say itinerary. So the rary becomes ri, itinerary. Library, similar kind of thing, okay? Next one. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Wednesday. Wednesday. This is a double whammy because we kind of drop the D sound and then the N-E-S becomes Ns. Wednesday. And it's a Z, not a S. Wednesday. Famous character from the Addams Family. Wednesday. Give a really strong stress on the when. When. When will you come? Wednesday. Next one. Ooh, literature. Literature. I know, strange, right? Literature. The TR, it becomes TER becomes tr, like train. Literature. Another way of remembering this is think of the word rich, as in a lot of money. If you've got more money, you're richer. Richer. Lit, richer. Literature. Similar to this word. Temp, richer. Temperature. That is how you can remember how to pronounce it. Literature, temperature. We're all richer for my teaching. Can I say that? Let's move on to the next one. Average. Not average, average. The vr again. Remember the little kid with the car? Vroom, average. Average. Average height, medium build, middle class, middle-aged, average. Average height. And the next one. There are two ways of pronouncing this. It could be actually, with a chua, actually, or actually. Like the film, Love Actually. Actually. Imagine chili. If you enjoy eating chilies or chili con carne, chili, actually. Actually, it's really good. But you can also say actually. You will find some dialects say actually. All right, next one. Our favourite place for food, restaurant. So it's not restaurant or restaurant, restaurant. Like the train, again, restaurant. Sometimes you can say restaurant. So it's not even an aunt, it's just an restaurant. It's a restaurant. It's an interesting restaurant. It's a nice restaurant. Okay, that's it. So there you have it, 12 words with that squeezed pronunciation. Let me know in the comments which one you found the most difficult. And if you know any other examples of this kind of squeezed pronunciation. Thank you for watching today. Give me a like if you enjoyed it. Do remember to subscribe and turn on notifications to find out about future videos coming soon. Thanks again for watching. Hope it helps you on your journey to become a more confident speaker of English. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.